It is summer already, and that means it is time for the summer 2025 Wealth Perspectives. In this edition, we'll go through a number of things. As always, I'll go through them quickly with you on this video, and we'll provide a link below so you can access that and dive deeper into any of these topics. But let me share my screen with you here. Big topic, of course, over the first half of this year has been the tariffs. So this first article looking at what they call a global realignment. Globalization has been huge for the development of the world, really, over the last number of years. That being threatened right now with these tariffs, more inclusionary policies being put in place. We'll see how that rolls out. Of course, some of the tariffs are being talked back as we speak. So we'll see where that goes, but less globalization, likely not a good thing for the economy and the growth of the world. We'll see what happens there. You can dive deeper into that. Here's a second article, high net worth considerations when helping kids buy a home or actually just transferring wealth. Talks about a few things here, but lots to consider if you are going to help the next generation. What methods are the best? There's tax advantages, there's legal issues, there's things to consider when passing funds down to the next generation. So a little bit of information on that. This is looking at market volatility. I've said this in a number of videos recently. The markets have been volatile, although volatility comes with investing in the markets. But especially over recent months with the tariff talks and lots of volatility out there, lots of geopolitical concerns. This just showing you the value of discipline. So going back to that 2020 pandemic drawdown, of course, lots of understandable panic when the markets were collapsing through March 2020. If you'd had at the bottom there chosen the absolute worst time to pull your money out, that emotional reaction, your funds are down, the markets are down 30+%, and you pull your money out and just sit on the sidelines while things recuperate and get back to a little bit of a normal market where you feel comfortable again. So just taking them out through the end of March, April, May, June, and into July there. That's where you stand right now. So of course you would have missed that return. You'd be up 21%, just following a average 60-40 split portfolio, balanced portfolio, up 21%. But if you'd have pulled them out for that kind of 5 month after that pandemic dip, you'd still be down 2% in the markets. So yes, there's things we can do in the volatility. We've talked about diversification before. But this just goes to show you that trying to time the markets or making those emotional decisions really what hurts in market returns. There's been plenty of evidence behind that. Next article here, where is your original will? So this is just a good reminder for people. You can have copies, they can even be notarized, but in most provinces, the original will is what's needed to administer an estate. So if you don't know where it is, check these places: lawyer's office, safety deposit box. You have a home safe. If you don't have it in one of these places, you probably want to put it there and make sure you remember where that is. A bunch of other information there on POAs and whatnot. New Prime Minister here in Canada. So new leadership, old challenges. This talks a lot about what is facing Prime Minister Carney. The increase in debt, our credit rating as a country. We are doing better than many as far as credit rating goes, but we still do have high debt and increasing debt. You can see that here as a percentage of GDP that continues to grow. So some issues and challenges for sure for our new Prime Minister to figure out on the economic side, along with many others as well. And this last one here, very timely as we continue to move into this technological era, this online era, AI being a big thing now. Can you delete yourself from the internet? Harder than it should be, but you can definitely reduce. And there's some items in here. You can go through a Google search of your personal data. You can remove some of that if you want. There's things here to look out for as far as phishing and other scams online. So take a look at this, no matter what age or skill level you are on the internet, no matter how much you do or do not put on the internet. Take a look at this article and make sure you're taking care of your personal data. That's it for the Summer Wealth Perspectives 2025. As mentioned, link below if you want to look deeper into any of those articles. We'll, of course, be out next quarter with another one. Enjoy the summer. I hope you get to rest, relax, spend some time with family and friends. As always, any questions, feel free to reach out by phone or email. Thanks a lot. Take care.